the sacrum. And I'll just stop in between each one so it's smaller videos to send to you.
I'm just blowing it out. Okay. So this is your sacrum, which is below your lumbar, right? So how many bones make up the sacrum?
5.
5, and they're all fused together, right? What about the coccyx?
Coccyx 4. Oh, 3. 4. Oh, okay, good.
It's 4. The sacrum, they're just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the same with the coccyx. It's like CO1, CO2, CO3. So that's your whole tailbone or sacrum. Okay, so while we're holding this, what is a distinguishing difference between the pelvic girdle in men and the pelvic girdle in women?
It's wider,
right.
More oval shaped.
When it has to do with the sacrum, in women, ours is out a little further back in our pelvis. Why do you think that is?
Childbirth.
So we can deliver a baby.
Have them babies.
Scaving its way down. Big gash.
Yes.
The back of the head.
With men, theirs is tucked a little under. So I would say their tail is tucked in.
Yeah.
They're whining with musky.
That's right. I was about to say.
That's disrespectful. So that's
sometimes the truth hurts. No, I'm just kidding.
And there's men here. I have a fun time with it. So, okay, let's talk about the ribs while we're at it. So how many ribs do we have? 12. How many true? How many false? How many floating?
7 true.
8.
Or 8. Okay.
8 false and
7 true.
Yeah, 7 true.
8. It's 5 or 4 and 2 floating. Okay.
That's weird. So there's not.
So what's the difference between false ribs, true ribs, and
It's
floating
sets.
ribs?
7 sets.
The one that
7 sets, 4 sets, 2 sets. Yeah.
The floating ones don't connect to anything. The false ones
Are you
connect
looking
up
for
to
bio? This is for bio 15. Bio 10 is in LS 106. Oh, good. Yeah. No
So
problem.
we have 7.
Okay.
floating, they don't connect to anything.
They don't connect to the sternum.
To each other,
Right.
And then they connect to the true ribs, and the true ribs connect to the sternum.
Right. And the true ribs are connected directly to the sternum by costal cartilage. The false ribs are connected to each other by one big, huge costal cartilage, but they're not directly connected. So that's the difference. And then the floatings are just out there.
Sitting.
Yeah.
Chilling.
It's kind of weird. Someone asked me the other day, so what's that there for? And I says, protection. Because what do you think
Your
vital organ
kidneys
is trying to
or
protect?
yeah,
Trying to
kidneys.
protect the kidneys. It's also there probably for stability for our torso.
Well.
So, okay, so let's talk about the sternum. Okay, I have one. Yes, I do. Okay. So, this is the sternum, right? Okay, there's a couple of different parts to the sternum. What's this top part called?
Medullary or it starts with an M. No?
It's mandible.
Mandible. I can't pronounce it. What is it?
It's called the mandibrium.
Mandibrium?
Manubrim. Mandibrium.
Mandibrium. Okay.
Then what is this portion
The
called?
sternum.
Anyone? Just this portion of
Does
it?
it begin with the C?
Huh?
Does it begin with the C?
No, it actually begins with a B.
The
It's a body.
the body. Oh.
And then this has got a funky name, this pointy little.
Xiphoid process?
That's
fine.
called the
Xiphoid process.
So what is distinct? What is something you can use to remember the xiphoid process? Like what is helpful with the xiphoid process? Like if we were palpitating someone and we found their xiphoid process and we're trying to do CPR, what do? We go up how many fingers? 2. You have 2 fingers and that's where you do your compressions. What do you think would happen if we did compressions on the xiphoid process?
We don't have that on our labs on anything.
Would break. I have it. I have.
We should try to ask us about
It's open game though.
Yeah, because I have
Okay,
it
anything
on
that's in the
my.
lab, anything that's in the book, she told me is open game. So I'd rather cover all of it than not cover something and you go, well, why didn't you tell me? And then you throw me under the bus.
Yeah, it's on mine.
And it's on yours.
Yeah.
So what is it? Manubrim, body?
It goes mandibrium,
Mandibrim, body, and xiphoid process.
So the xiphoid process, what would happen if we did CPR on it and broke off? What could it do to a patient?
The lung. Would it
could puncture
puncture the
lungs,
lungs?
and
Yeah.
they could suffocate and die, and then we'd be sued for doing CPR and trying to save this person's life and doing
Incorrectly,
it
yeah.
incorrectly. So that's what you should do, is you follow the last rib, you follow it up with your fingers till you get to the xiphoid process, then you go up 2 fingers and you start your compressions
You can kind of
On the
feel it
body.
too. Ugh.
on the body. The body is a lot stronger than the xiphoid process. Okay, so that's the
Sternum.
sternum. So let's go up.
You guys.
All right.